Thanks to the brand for sending this to me to test out. This is an ultrasonic cleaner, which basically makes all your jewelry looking brand new and shiny again. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. That way you can see it in action. So this uses high frequency ultrasonic waves to shake loose dirt you can't reach by hand. It runs at 48 kilohertz, which is strong enough to clean deep into tiny cracks, but still gentle on things like jewelry, eyeglasses, watches. The stainless steel tank feels solid, and the LED display with dual cleaning models keeps it simple. So a question someone might ask is, does it actually make a difference, or is it just fancy water? Honestly, you can literally see the water get cloudy as it pulls grime off your items. So you just add water, drop your stuff in, you press a button, let it do the work. There's no scrubbing, there's no chemicals added, no effort. So if your jewelry or glasses look dull and you want them refreshed without risking damage, this is an easy upgrade. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.